Jai Shri Krishna, all of you. The great philosopher says that if you want to change your life, then definitely you change your per day action. That defines the one day focus the day. And the day is related to day and night. And the very important portion of our life and day is the morning. Then defined is if you change your morning and if you utilize your morning, then definitely you will control your whole day, and if you control your whole day then definitely you will control your whole life. So that it's mean that if you change your life then definitely you change your response. Sometimes some things we do in the unconscious mind so that we cannot get a better result, just like this question, how are you? When anyone person asks this question, what your response is that? Please loud. Yes, I can hear. Please loud. How are you? If you says that I am fine, okay, well, not well, not happy, just boring, that time definitely it's very harsh talk. Okay, this type if you go this type of response in the morning, then definitely if you goes fast forward at the night, that time I ask the same question, how are your day goes? That time definitely you says that my days goes very simple, okay, well, fine. Then definitely you can correlate some things when you what you're responding tomorrow and what's your days is going in the night. It's completely interlinked. Just like that, if I says that if I make my morning respond, definitely I will make my whole day, and if I make my whole day, definitely I will make my whole life. It's me. And the bigger question and the bigger surprising fact is that 99% people are don't know how to respond this question, because 99% people are say same things, fine, well, okay, good. And what's happened with the 99% people's their life is goes is the normal ways. That then you ask me, okay, what is the right way to respond this question? That is the main purpose of this video. I will tell you what is the right way to respond this type of question in the morning, because if you save your morning then definitely you will save your life, and if you save your life then definitely what's the problem else. And if you want to change your day then definitely you know that how many type of response there are the three type of response. First is a negative, second is a moderate, and third is a positive response. It depends if you use, definitely you are coming in the three genre, and most of 99% are coming in the first and two genre. No one can exceed, no one can come in the third genre. Third is a very important, and only 1% people are knows how to take, how to give the response when any one person asks you how are you. Because so that, and I now in this video I will enclose the secret so that you will make your day very well. And when in the night when anyone person asks you how does your day go, then definitely you say that it is mind blowing, I happy with that my day. That is I want to give you the secret when on only 1% people are knows and 99% are don't knows. And I come back into my point, there are the three type of response. First positive, second negative, and third moderate. The negative type of people, when any person asks that, okay, how are you, that time he will say that I am not happy, it is too much boring life, it is too much hectic life, I don't be survive, I have too much lazy, I feel lethargic. This type of response mean you are not capable to do and you don't make your day better. Then the bigger question arises that what's mean by we cannot make our life, yeah, our day better? Because your morning day response defines how your days goes. And the moderate type of people says that okay, my days goes okay. How are you? I am fine. Okay. Well, this type of means your life, your days goes in the normal, okay and well. And when the third type of response is positive response, in that but whenever you ask this type of persons, okay, how are you? That time they says that my day is fabulous, great, fantastic, I am in the top 1% people, I am very happy, I am the happiest person on the earth. This type of response when you give, then definitely they change your whole day. And the bigger question again, yeah, maybe it is a conflict in your mind, that sometimes we feel don't happy, don't feel well, then time why we lie. There is a story of my friends and me when we decided to work on it your college time. That time my friend said, when I asked the same question in the afternoon, that how are you, that time he says that I am not well, I am okay, I am so much terrific, and this type of he says that. And that time I also says and give the sympathy. Okay, yes, today is the environment not happen, and the mom, and so much I will say that what will happen. Your day will be goes waste, and he don't feel more energy in this time. And that suddenly the one message pop up on the phone, and he check out and he says that he credit 10,000 rupees. That time he will be more exuberant and happy. Yes, he got it, and he will enjoy the moment. And he will call her friends and give the and says that I will treat, come back, and we'll go to hang out and so much thing. Then stop. One thing, stop. After a 2 or 3 seconds ago, he will don't happy with life, he don't happy with the day, and he says that his days goes waste and so much thing he is used negative. And that time only just a pop up on the message, and he will feel so much exuberant in himself. Because change why is happen, because it's not matter how your response is, that it is your choice how you take the response. Sometimes we don't have to take the right type of respond, but that is our responsibility which respond we will choose. It's directly depends how your days you want to choice. It is completely depends on you how you want to goes your days. If you want your days goes in the simple form, then definitely you can use the simple vocabulary. And if you want to change your day in the excited, fantastic, great, excellent day time, definitely you use this type of word in the morning respond. I hope I will clarify all the things what you will want in this video. And I will also clarify how you make your morning with how are you. And when someone person ask me, how are you, that time what are the response, I says them, I am very happy, I am great, I am very grateful that today I have a day, and I want do whatever I will decide it. That's give me the more energy. When I face another person, I give a big smile on my face and says that it is the tremendous day, and I will very happy with that day. These type of response will make my morning too much best, and so that my days goes too much in the right direction. That is the way you will also know right now what is the secret of 1% people who will respond this question, how are you. And I again ask, and please comment, how are you. I want to check what is your type of vocabulary you use, because this type of vocabulary is defined how your days goes. And if you don't change your vocabulary, then definitely you cannot change your day. Jai Hind.